Hey everybody, got a package in the mail. Oh, Melanie, coolness. There's a USB powered mosquito killer. I'm excited about this. This is a USB powered, if I remember right. It's a mosquito killer. Yep, there's the USB connection. So it draws in mosquitoes and zaps them dead. So this is a product we're going to be reviewing here. Actually, we're going to be using it a lot. It's nice looking. It's very nice looking. Interesting shape. I guess it has a light. There's not any power in this moment. I'll have to read the instruction manual. But it comes apart for cleaning. And there's a fan in there. And there's a light that attracts the mosquitoes, and then the fan sucks them in and keeps them down in here. I'm guessing it somehow maybe the fan kills them or something. It's supposed to be a mosquito killer and powered by USB. So the mosquitoes right now are extremely bad around here, so I can't wait to get that in use. We'll be reading the instructions on that, and we'll be doing a full video review on that very soon. And then there's a Oittm, another something really cool, wireless remote control outlet switch kit. Now because we're off the grid doesn't mean that we don't use power. We use a lot of power here. So this is 4 plugs with 2 wireless remotes. And what's exciting about this is we can control things anywhere in the house remotely. And this is a very affordable pack as well. I'll put the links down below so you can see for yourself. This is a very affordable pack. So there's a wireless remote control power outlet, and there's the brand name, and there's the 2 remote controls. So we have, based on where we need them, we have the 2 different remote controls to control the 4 panels. Oh, I see. There's on, off. So there's 4 different on-off buttons, one for each of these 4 units, which is cool. And then there's 2 little batteries to control your is it 12 volts? 23A 12 volt? Or is it 1.2 volt? Tiny little batteries. Well, we're going to be putting these into use here, and in this way we can turn things on and off in the house whenever and wherever we are, which is really cool. And it's very affordable. I can't remember the exact price, but both these things are really affordable. And I'll put the links down below in the video description and in the comments, and you guys can check it out. And stay tuned for the full review coming soon, individually, of each of these products, cat not included. And stay tuned. Pretty exciting. I am very excited about this because the mosquitoes are bad, and so often one of us have to ask the other to go shut off a certain thing or another, and now we're just going to go click. I like it. Hi guys, here's a little teaser for you. Light on, light off, light on, light off. Well guys, just a little teaser with this here. There's the power on off button, and then you can't see it in the day, but there's like an ultraviolet blue LED light which is supposed to attract the mosquitoes. There's a very powerful fan inside, which you can hear actually. You can see the dust blowing around it. Sucks the mosquitoes in, and then it dehydrates them down inside, but the rest we'll leave for later.